the big, gigantic fucking station. And Jigsaw was just coming in with a train of at least 80 kilograms of pure Colombian cocaine. I believe he's about to overshoot the platform, and, yeah, he did. Well, anyway, Smokebox was also there. You know, I've just been thinking, is P. Diddy actually going to return to Sodor? No, you fucking fool. He is not going to return. No, like, seriously, this is a genuine question. And, yeah, is he going to return or not? Because the signs are there. There have been marks, and Roger has fucking died from hypothermia. Right. But still. Could this all be his of doing? No, you fucking fool. You fucking fool. Well, he was arrested for having too many baby oil bottles. For God's sake. Anyways, goodbye now. I gotta deliver this train of cocaine. That was a good night's rest. Oh, good morning, everyone. My name is P. Diddy. Oh, and Jigsaw now died. Yep, this is kind of the end of the movie, so have some awesome green screen explosion effects.